For today's video, I'm gonna actually find one of the best soups in Thailand, and that is the Ming Lang Zap, which is a spicy pork soup. And I'm taking the BTS. It's about a 36-minute BTS ride, and about a 5-minute walk to the BTS station from my hotel here in the Pratunam area. Alright, so let's take the Ajatawi station all the way to let's see what the exit is. I'm looking on my phone here. All the way to Safan Kawi BTS station. And that cost about 40 baht. And I'm using my rabbit card that I bought through Klook. We are going up the stairs here. Oh yeah, the shade feels really good. Just got off the BTS train. So now it's a 13-minute walk to the restaurant, and I believe the name, let's see, what's the name of the restaurant? It doesn't say the name on Google, but we will find out when we are there. Let's see. I just got off the BTS and I'm walking over to the restaurant. It's about a 13-minute walk according to Google. This is the Samsung 9 area. It's always interesting to see the shops they have in different parts of Bangkok. Of course, we have Thai food everywhere because it's Thailand. And massages. That's one thing you will always see is food and massages. No shortage. But all the street food is so interesting because you just find different kind of street food everywhere. There's a lot of electronic shops as well. You have all these little alleyways that lead to different areas. These little hidden alleyways I keep talking about. And they go to different secret areas and there's food and shopping. And it seems like you can always find a mall. See, it looks like we have a mall over there. Okay, it looks like we are getting near the place where we want to eat the spicy pork soup. We are almost there. We just got to take these stairs across the road. If you want something in Thailand, in Bangkok, Thailand specifically, you have to work for it. I think it's been about a 30 to 40, around a 40-minute journey from my area just to come to this area and try the spicy food out. Look at this traffic, guys. It is just so funny. We got a tuk-tuk. Oh man, Thailand is so cool. It's so funny. There's always a good time in Bangkok and in Thailand, but Bangkok is just one crazy city. Not in a bad way, or depends what kind of night you had in Bangkok. We're almost there. So it's pretty easy to travel if you know how to use the BTS, which I've been getting used to lately. My first trip to Singapore, that was a learning curve that I got down now, so no worries, all good. I feel pretty confident in using the BTS train system to get around. The first time is, like I said, was pretty scary, pretty intimidating. Okay, we should be approaching this place here in 2 minutes, according to Google. This is the BTS rabbit card. Paid like around $8 and it comes preloaded. It's a 100 baht fee, and it comes with 200 baht preloaded, which is part of the $8 that you pay for. Okay, I think I see it. I think. Let's see. Should be around here. Maybe this place doesn't exist anymore. I did see a lot of places that are closed, but they say are opened. So this could be one of those places. If it's not, hey, we'll just explore this area and to not waste our time coming here, and I guess not waste a video of the Thailand video. Because they do take time to obviously film and plan. A lot of hard work goes into it. So we're just walking around here. Yeah guys, I don't see it. Maybe I missed it. So I finally found it after a long time, but it was at a different location. Looks like they moved to the mall. So I traveled about 30 minutes here to the mall to try it. So let's see sour and spicy pork spine hot soup. Let's give it a try, guys. I've just ordered my soup. My DJI camera actually died. Had to get that charged up really quick. But yeah, we're waiting on our soup now, and this should be really delicious. It was 250 baht for a bowl of pork spicy backbone soup. It's definitely on the pricier side because I guess it is at the mall and it's a little bit more of a fancier establishment, but it's okay. It should still make for a delicious soup, and it's just interesting to try out the spicy pork soup here in Bangkok, Thailand. Thank you. So here it is. That looks very scary, guys. Let's try it out. It's amazing. That's spicy and hot at the same time. Oh yeah, that they have like 5 different spice levels. This is level number 4. There's one more hotter one. Yeah, it's perfect. Look at that. That is so delicious. Oh my God. That is perfect. Must try if you are in Thailand. Oh yeah. It's a lot. And I may just finish it all. Well, I tried to eat most of it, guys, but it's just too much. But I definitely destroyed that plate. Wow. It's so good. Just amazing. Alright guys, I'm pretty full. It was kind of hard to film in there actually. The security, the mall security was like, yeah, you can't film in here. But I still tried my best anyways. So, yeah, I mean, it is what it is. We're actually going back to my hotel. I'm in Central World. We got some kind of concert going on over there. But can't record it obviously for copyright reasons. YouTube will just flag me. And this is a little walkway. It stretches a long way all the way to Central World, and it connects to some other malls. Yeah, it's about a 3-mile long walkway from what I've read. Not sure if that's accurate, but I did walk here yesterday and it does stretch pretty far. Okay guys, I think that's gonna do it for this video. It was a short one and a confusing one as I got lost. I definitely wasted about 2 hours trying to find the spicy pork soup, but ended up finding it at the mall because they relocated. Looks like it used to be I guess like a family-run establishment, and they moved to the mall and kind of made it a fancier version of what it was. I paid 250 baht. You can definitely find it for 100 baht. I was reading, and even cheaper. So, but I didn't want to, run around town anymore and waste any more time. So just ended up just doing the 251 baht soup inside the mall. That's gonna do it for this video. If you have any suggestions, just leave them in the comments, and I will see you in the next one.